show you how to upload the files into S3 bucket on AWS Console. So the first thing, you gotta log into AWS Console here like this. You can just Google like AWS Console. So you get the endpoint, just click on that. You click here, sign into the console, and should be the root user, and say your ID, and your password. So once you log in, you gotta go here and search for S3 and click this, and I have already created a bucket, so this is the bucket for the website. So open this one. So here you see all the files that's already there. So whatever the file that you change, you have to overwrite that in order for the website to take the changes in effect. So let's say I want to update this index.html. Okay, before I change the file, I'll show you the whatever the files is here that is served using the S3 URL, which is here. Yeah, so this is basically served from the S3 URL, whatever you have it here. So okay, go ahead. Now let's go ahead and make the change. So I have this file already opened, the index.html. So let's say the title I want to change. Okay, so you can see this title is coming as business consultancy agency, right? Let's say I want to change that to welcome to June Co Consulting or consultancy, something like that, right? So let's save this. Now I have to upload this file. So all I have to do is go to the location. So this is where my file just I updated. So just drag and drop the file, whatever you want to change. Oops. Sorry, I have to click on upload first and then drag drop. Or even you can select the file from there. So I say upload. Yeah, you can see the timestamp, it is updated. So now let's go ahead and refresh this. Okay, so one other thing that you want to change is after you overwrite the file, you have to make sure that this file is public. Every time you overwrite, the file permission changes. So if you don't make this file permission as public, you cannot access this from this URL. So that's why you can see that as access denied. So now what I'm going to do is see if this is checked right now. Go to actions and click on make public. So this is just a confirmation. You will say yes, make public. So once this file is made public, then if you go ahead and refresh it, you should be able to see that file. Yeah, and you can also see this title is changed now, welcome to June Co Consultant. This is what I changed. That's it. So this is the same thing you do for any file that you update. Make sure you upload here and also click on that file. If you want to upload the whole folder, and if you want to change, if you overwrite the whole folder, obviously you click the whole folder, and make sure you click on make public so that that is accessible using this website, static website. Yeah, so that's everything.